Ukraine is one of the largest countries in Europe and located at its very heart. We are proud to have the opportunity to present to you one of the most innovative healthcare facilities in Ukraine that provides the highest quality gynecologic, obstetrical and neonatal care that conforms to the highest world standards. This is LELEKA Maternity Hospital, which is located in the most picturesque and eco-friendly place in Kiev, the capital of Ukraine, in Pushcha-Voditsa recreation area. Introduction of medical innovations and guarantee of quality healthcare. These are the basic principles of our activity. An individual approach, services and a comfortable stay are additional benefits provided to all our patients.
LELEKA Maternity Hospital is dedicated to providing the highest quality, innovative, obstetric, gynecological and neonatal care. What specific services can be of interest for our potential patients? First, various methods of intrauterine fetal surgery that allows surgical intervention on the fetus to treat some diseases or congenital disorders. Second, the primary function of the hospital, provision of obstetric care. Especially, we are focused on women experiencing high-risk pregnancies that require an extended hospital stay, carefully weighted and skilled childbirth care, and then, if necessary, newborn care. LELEKA Maternity Hospital has a full range of modern medical equipment, uses protocols that are primarily approved in Great Britain, the United States, Germany. We are dedicated to providing high-quality and complicated care.
The heart of the healthcare centre is operating rooms with laminar systems, clean rooms, in which maximum air cleaning effect is achieved through air filtration and air change at a rate of 25 air changes per hour. State-of-the-art multifunction devices and equipment such as an anesthesia console, patient monitoring system, remotely controlled dynamic surgery tables and various equipment for endoscopic and laparoscopic procedures which are minimally invasive and safe for a patient are installed here.
LELEKA Maternity Hospital is originated from the Clinic for Reproductive Medicine Nadia, which deals with IVF technologies, i.e. treatment of couples who have difficulty getting pregnant and carrying a pregnancy. In this regard, in addition to the traditional care, such as prenatal, delivery and postpartum care, our maternity hospital provides a full range of gynecological services and care. In particular, the Department of Gynecologic Surgery, in which all possible female genital surgery is performed. The main goal of our clinic is reproduction, pregnancy and childbirth, so we focus on organ-preserving surgery, which is performed mostly using endoscopic methods. In view of this, the clinic is equipped with modern endoscopic equipment and devices. These are the most recent Karl Storz developments, such as the endoscope holder, laparoscopes and hysteroscopes, various necessary instruments and consumables. Surgery is also performed through a laparotomy or vaginal access. We pay great attention to plastic surgery, such as reconstructive, aesthetic and purely cosmetic procedures, incontinence surgery. So we have all opportunities to be necessary and useful for women of different ages.
The hospital is proud of its gynecologic surgical capabilities. It all starts with a study of the medical history of a patient, complete physical examination and laboratory and diagnostic tests, including, if necessary, diagnostic laparoscopy. When the diagnosis has been determined and verified, the risks have been assessed, surgical treatment, which can be performed both by classical methods and modern endoscopic technologies, for example laparoscopy, laparotomy, hysteroscopy and vaginal surgery, is prescribed. Specialists who have been trained in the world's best hospitals use the most advanced minimally invasive and organ-saving methods for treating infertility, uterine myomas, various forms of endometriosis, ovarian cysts, adhesive procedures, endometrial pathology, and malformations of the female genital tract. Our surgeons call aesthetic surgery which is indicated to women who gave birth to many children, including big babies, the most grateful. In addition to the aesthetic effect, pelvic floor surgery allows solving a range of delicate problems: stress urinary incontinence, emission and prolapse of pelvic organs, which directly affect the quality of life of patients.
One of LELEKA Maternity Hospital activities is surgery that is generally aimed at surgical treatment of women who are planning to get pregnant. If a woman suffers from cholelithiasis, she certainly must solve this problem before getting pregnant to prevent complications during pregnancy, which in turn can carry the risk of some complications for the mother and the fetus. The team of surgeons performs only laparoscopic interventions in patients with cholelithiasis, including single-port laparoscopy, i.e. through one incision, and a month later there is no visible scar left after intervention. All types of laparoscopic hernia repairs are done on patients with hernias of different localization, such as diaphragmatic hernia, femoral hernia, and incisional hernia. And also, we perform weight loss surgeries. So, if you are planning to get pregnant, struggling with the problem for a long time, and it cannot be solved because of irregular menstrual cycles, disrupted hormonal balance that is typical for obese women, then in this situation, bariatric surgeons can help you. Bariatric intervention is performed. If you weigh more than 100 kilograms and have a height of 160 centimeters, after 1 year, it is absolutely possible to weigh 60 kilograms. And in this situation, additionally having solved the problem with hormonal imbalance, the problem getting pregnant can be solved very easily.
LELEKA Maternity Hospital respects its patients and considers honesty as the best policy. Therefore, the hospital offers its patients transparent conditions and economically reasonable prices for healthcare services. All gynecologic surgical services at LELEKA Maternity Hospital are based on the concept of packaging. It means that buying a package of medical services, a woman receives a full range of services that allow her not to divert attention away from her successful treatment. For example, if the biopsy, ambulation or resection of the endometrium is done, a patient undergoes the following sequential procedures: admission to the department, changing clothes in the room, performance of IV cannulation and collection of samples for tests, transfer to the operating room, administration of anesthesia, and performance of surgical procedure in the operating room. Then, observation provided in the intensive care unit or a 24-hour stay in the private room equipped with an emergency nurse call. And of course, breakfast, lunch and dinner, healthy meals cooked in the hospital restaurant. LELEKA Maternity Hospital is heart-to-heart assistance. This is a unique atmosphere of empathy and support for patients, special attention to their mental health, needs and lifestyle issues. LELEKA Maternity Hospital has accumulated exclusive opportunities to help any woman maintain her health, beauty and self-confidence at every age in any circumstances. For each member of the team of highly qualified professionals, medicine is a whole way of life. At any time of the day or night, 7 days a week and 365 days a year, they stay in touch with their patients.